Dragon boat racing is more than just pedaling. It's about hard working and working together, trusting your team, and never giving up. You know, the energy uh, we get was exciting, and the main thing, the crowds, the people were cheering us, and it felt really great to be part of something so big and special. And I think I will never forget the feelings of crossing the finish line and knowing we did it as a team. It's something I'll always be proud of, and I'll always remember such activity and such sport in my whole life.
Yeah!